everyone! Welcome to a new vlog. So today, ayan, katatapos ko lang maligo because we're gonna go out. Bibili tayo ng mga few items lang sa groceries. Katatapos ko lang maglagay ng toner ko. Ito yung toner ko actually. Ayan, yung The Ordinary. Inuubos ko lang yung dinala ko nung weekend sa bahay para masimot na siya. And then, ito, apply lang tayo ng konting skincare para naman fresh tayo. Hindi tayo mukhang haggard. Ayan. While we're here na, let's do our quick makeup na rin dito sa washroom. Tara guys, let's go to Superstore. Wala man tayo masyadong bibilin. Yung mga out lang na mga stuff. Yun lang yung bibilin natin. Dito yung medyo mahirap lumabas na intersection. Sobrang busy. Ano oras na ba? It's like 11. Kaya medyo mahirap nang lumabas. Almost 11 na kasi. Medyo nagbibisi pala yung road. Kabandang 11. Kasi ngayon sobrang medyo may traffic siya ng konti. Pero busy. That's the term. It's quite busy, guys. Dito na tayo, guys. Guys, nakabalik na pala tayo dito sa apartment. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi sumakit yung ulo ko. So, natulog muna ako sandali. Kaya, ayan. So, yun, nagpalit na rin ako ng damit kasi ang init. But, for today's grocery, we spend $48.96. Okay, so first, I bought a hotdog bun for breakfast, merienda, you know. And then, I bought brown bread as well. Bili rin ako nitong 30 pieces na large size na egg. Lagi kami nag-egg dito sa bahay kasi wala, mas madali siyang lutuin for everyday, especially for breakfast. Bumili ako ng tomatoes, frozen tilapia. I love tilapia though. It's so good ba? And I also bought a bacon. And then, some apples. Ayan. Ito, just a hot dog lang para dun sa hotdog sandwich. Garlic. Nakalimutan ko bumili ng garlic na naka-mince na talaga siya. Yun, nasa bote. Kasi yun yung sinuggest ni mom na bilhin ko. Kasi nga, lately, parang pagka marami kang binili na garlic, madali siyang masira. So, anyway, and I bought garlic powder. Gamit na gamit ang garlic powder. And then lemon, of course. And then, mango. Parang tinatamad ako guys kumain ng rice ngayon. And I don't feel like eating really. So, for lunch. And it's currently 1:30 p.m. na. Ito, mas bet ko siyang kainin today. Ito yung Nongshim noodle. So, ito na lang kainin natin for lunch. Tapos, after nito, lulutuin na natin pork steak. I-prepare ko na yung ulam namin na pork steak. Yun na lang yung lulutuin ko dito ha. Sa leftover pa namin para siyang pork chop. Pero gagawin natin pork steak. Yan. Here's our ingredients. I got this onion ring style, regular onions, and then garlic, our pork, and then I think this is all we needed, diba? And then of course, salt and pepper. We're gonna add some salt and pepper as well. Laging background ng vlog natin is yung ating mini kitchen. Kasi I love to cook, you guys. Since I get married, lagi talaga ako, almost every day ako nagluluto. And I really, really enjoy cooking. So, ayan, we always love to cook something for our asawa na working hard. Kaya, let's get started and let's cook! Here's our pork steak. Ayan, hindi ko lang alam kung anong lasa niyan. Sama-sama na siya, guys. Ayan lang. I don't know, I just guess it. Well, that's good. I never been.
You never been?
I never.
You should.
I never been.
That's my.
Morning guys! Today's Thursday. Ayan, I decided to go for a quick walk or run dito malapit sa recreation center dito sa Edmonton. So ayan, naka-ready na ako. I just put a little bit of blush on my face and I don't know about my brows, but naglagay ako konti lang. Pero pakita ko sa inyo ang ating quick outfit. Ayan. Actually, I'm just wearing a Lululemon leggings, and then I think this is a Reebok, I don't know, long sleeve, just in case it's cold inside the recreation, but at the same time, you know, you don't want to be too hot. So, ayun lang, lalabas na ako. And guys, in the car, ayan, mafoggy na siya this morning. As you can see, ayan, medyo madilim pa for 8:30 no, but I'm so excited to go to the gym today. Dito na tayo sa Commonwealth. We're just walking. Cute! Na ako ngayon guys sa Commonwealth Stadium. Super nice niya and sobrang daming amenities you guys. So, actually I paid $12 for a one-day pass. Pero mukhang okay naman siya for one day kasi we have to make sure you have to, you know, use all the amenities because you can use any equipment as you can see and you can find around. So that's really, really good. So now I'm just walking. And then later on baka mag-run ako ng konti. And then look. See, you can even use of those as well. So, ayun lang. Update ko kayo ulit mamaya. Cute lang kasi ang dami na lang free amenities na you can use like this. And so nice. Grabe guys, ang sarap magpapawis. So, hello guys! Nakabalik na ako dito sa apartment. Ngayon, medyo tinatamad na ako magluto ng pagkain ko. So, I'm just having a hotdog sandwich. Ito yung bun. Actually, pangalawa ko na to kasi meron naman akong leftover from yesterday na hotdog. So, yun lang din yung kinain ko. So, ngayon, this is my times 2 kasi I don't wanna get hungry somewhere around in the afternoon. So, I'm just giving myself a heads up na kumain na, no? Kasi ito pa lang yung kinakain natin at saka yung pancake kanina. Napunta pa ako sa Valley Village. Grabe, super nice nila. I really love them. Pero yun nga lang, sa Valley Village, it gets expensive sometimes. Pero really good. Apple juice. Magluluto na tayo. So, I think yung tawag dito is ginisang repolyo with sayote. I think. Huhugasan muna natin itong vegetable. Ito, I will try to revive this sayote. I'll try. Let's see. Wala na talaga siya dahil. Sarap na siya dahil. Yeah. So one sayote is actually that. Guys, change of plan tayo kasi hindi umabot yung sayote natin para maggisa tayo ng sayote and cabbage. So, buti na lang, meron ako ditong pansit bihon. So, ang gagawin ko, magpapansit na lang tayo. Tinawagan ko ang mommy to get some help para kung ano yung mga ingredients na kailangan nating ilagay dito. So, ayun, nakuha ko na lahat ng mga kailangan natin. Ayan, nagchika-chika pa tayo. So, ayun, na-prepare ko na rin yung mga ingredients natin. So, we're good to cook na. But first of all, ilagay muna natin siya sa water para medyo lumambot na siya. So, for our ingredients, eto meron tayong cabbage, carrots, onions, garlic, and then this one is assorted fish balls and kikiams. So, ito yung isasahog natin instead of chicken. Ayan! Siyempre, lalagyan din natin siya ng chicken broth para mas flavorful siya kahit wala tayong sahog na chicken. At least maglasang chicken ang ating pansit bihon. Gigisa muna natin na ang garlic and onion together. Sabahan natin sila. Salang na rin natin itong kikiam. So, medyo itutusta lang natin ng konti yung ating meat. And then, lalagyan na natin itong vegetables. Natin ito. Titimplahan lang natin. Lagyan lang natin siyang konting water para lumambot. Medyo kumukulo na siya. No? Let's leave it a minute. Let's leave it for another minute or two. And lagay lang tayo nitong chicken broth. Lagyan din natin siya. Halo-halo. Tatansyahin ko na lang, guys. I don't even know, pero tatansyahin natin. We're gonna do pepper. Ayan. Just a little bit of toyo. Ayan guys, ang ganda na ng itsura ng ating noodles. Walang malaman kung anong lasa. Usually, hindi ko siya nakukuha ng isang beses lang na try. So, second time. Okay. More toyo. A little bit more. Yeah. More pepper. Let's try it for the last time, hopefully. Woo! Kain na to guys, hindi na to tikim. Pero, ayan. Let's try test this ang ating luto. I think it's perfect this time. Cheers! Delicious! Patay na natin yan. So good, you guys. Yee! Thank you, Mom, sa iyong recipe. Hindi siya ganun kasing sarap nung sayo. Pero 100% super delicious already. I love it. I love it. Super sarap. Guys, kain tayo!